So, you've heard of ChatGPT, you've seen what Gemini can do, you've probably played around with Midjourney. They're the big names, right? The rock stars of AI. But what if the real secret to getting ahead isn't about using the most famous tools, but the smartest ones? Look, today we're cutting through all that noise to show you 5 powerful, kind of under-the-radar AI tools that the pros are using right now to get a massive edge. In that question, that's exactly what we're diving into. Because while everyone else is focused on the same handful of apps, there's this quiet revolution happening with tools that are basically secret weapons. These aren't just apps that help you work a little faster. They completely transform your entire workflow. They create some serious leverage. And here's the thing, this is absolutely crucial. The real power of AI isn't about, writing a clever tweet. It's about building intelligent systems that take over the boring, repetitive, time-sucking tasks, freeing you up to focus on the big picture. The top performers, they get this. They're not just using AI, they are building engines with it. All right, so here's the game plan for today. We're going to look at 5 of these game-changing tools. We'll start with an absolute powerhouse for automation, then an AI brain for all your projects, an assistant that makes meetings actually useful, a totally new way to code, and finally, a search engine for your entire company. Let's get into it. First up is a tool for anyone who's ever felt, a little trapped or just plain overcharged by the usual automation platforms. It's called N8N, and it's kind of this open source hero in the world of workflow automation. And this really breaks it down, right? With the old school tools, you often hit a wall. They get crazy expensive really fast, and they just can't handle complex logic. Well, NN comes in and just changes the whole game. It's way more cost-effective, it's insanely flexible, and, this is huge, it gives you total control over your data. So how does it pull this off? Well, for starters, it's open source. That means you can run it on your own servers for free, which means unlimited workflows. It's got this super intuitive visual editor where you just drag and drop nodes to build stuff. But for developers, the real magic is that you can write custom code right inside your workflows and connect to pretty much any API you can think of. So who is this for? Well, it's a dream come true for developers building internal tools, for ops teams trying to automate really complex business processes, and honestly, for any small business that wants that enterprise-level power without the insane price tag. Okay, now that our workflows are on autopilot, let's talk about making our project management way smarter. Our next tool takes on this problem of our project tools being just passive, dumb filing cabinets. I'm talking about ClickUp AI, and its goal is to be the central brain for all of your work. So instead of just being a place where tasks go to die, ClickUp Brain actually works for you. You can feed it a super long project brief, and boom, it instantly spits out a summary and a list of action items. It can automate your weekly status updates, and because it sees everything from a bird's eye view, it can actually start predicting where you're going to have delays and tell you what to focus on first. This is just a massive win for any team that needs to stay on the same page. Whether you're a marketing team trying to plan a new campaign or an engineering team in the middle of a sprint, it turns project management from a total chore into this intelligent system that's actively helping you get work done. Okay, so our workflows are automated, our projects have a brain, but what about that other black hole of productivity? Meetings. Our third tool tackles a problem we can all relate to, all the wasted time and lost info that comes from back-to-back calls. Meet Fireflies.ai. It's basically your personal note taker for every single call you have. And the process is so simple, it's brilliant. An AI assistant just joins your call, whether it's on Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams. It records and transcribes the entire conversation in real time. And then, right after the meeting, you get a full, searchable transcript with an AI-generated summary of all the key decisions and action items. No more, wait, who is supposed to do that? And you can see the impact right here. I mean, for sales teams, that awful task of updating the CRM after every single call, it's just gone. Fireflies can automatically push all the notes and summaries directly into your system. It just slashes the amount of manual admin work and makes sure a follow-up never gets missed again. All right, we've tackled automation, projects, and meetings. Now, for all the developers out there, this one's for you. Our fourth tool is a code editor called Cursor, and it is completely changing what it even means to write software by putting AI at the absolute core of the experience. Now, the key thing to get here is that Cursor is not just another editor with the fancy autocomplete plugin like GitHub Copilot.
No way. This is a full-on integrated development environment, an IDE, that was built from scratch to be AI native. And that just fundamentally changes the entire way you code. The real magic here is that this thing understands context. You can literally have a conversation with an AI that knows your entire code base. You can ask it to generate whole new files from just one sentence, or even refactor an entire feature automatically. It's like having a senior pair programmer sitting next to you 24/7, handling all the grunt work so you can focus on the hard problems.
Okay, so from writing code to finding information, our final tool, Glean AI, tackles one of the biggest, most expensive problems pretty much every company has: just finding stuff. Think of it like a super intelligent search engine for your entire organization.
Seriously, just stop and think about it for a second. How much of your day, your week, is wasted digging through a dozen different apps or bugging your colleagues just to find that one document or the answer to a simple question? That exact pain point is what Glean was built to destroy.
So how does it do it? Well, Glean plugs into everything. We're talking Google Drive, Slack, Jira, your email, and dozens of other apps to create one single, unified place to search. With Glean, all those information silos just vanish.
But this is so much more than a simple keyword search. Glean uses AI to actually understand context. It knows your role in the company, so it gives you personalized, super accurate results. If an engineer and a salesperson search for the same thing, they'll get different, more relevant answers. It's literally like having a coworker who's read every single document the company has ever created. So, after looking at all of these, what's the big picture here? It's this. The real potential of AI gets unlocked when we stop thinking about using just one tool and start thinking about building a smart, interconnected system that automates our work for us.
So let's do a super quick recap. You can see how each tool we talked about solves a real painful business problem. You've got NN for when automation gets too complex and expensive, ClickUp AI for disorganized projects, Fireflies.ai for taking back the time you lose in meetings, Cursor for all that repetitive coding, and Glean AI for when your company's info is scattered everywhere. These are targeted solutions for real problems. Look, the biggest gains, the truly huge wins, come from thoughtfully connecting specialized tools like these to create a powerful, automated system that works for you. So the question I'll leave you with is this: when you look at your own work at your own day, which of your biggest pain points are you going to automate first?